Hello, what's up guys? Gusto na kayo mga kabalbas? Piprepare kami ngayon. Magpunta kami sa school ni EM. Mayroon kaming atin na activity. Tawag dito recognition rights daw. Ako kung paano yun, wala. So samahan nyo kami guys. Nakikita pala ako dun sa salamin.
Uy, talaga ayos ah. Titignan talaga ng ano namin. Picture lang.
Dalihan nyo na. Toothbrush mo na pala ako. Ito guys. So ito guys, papunta na kaming school ni M. So alas 2. Alas 2 na. Punta na kaming school para sa recognition. Tara na, ikaw lang naman may bagal dyan. Tawag ka, tawag.
Our Principal's Merit Awards. This recognition is given to students who obtain a general average of 93 to 95 with no grades below 80 for the third quarter of school year 2022-2023. At this juncture, may we request the presence of our dear principals. Alright, once again, congratulations, Miguel, to your proud parent.
Lord, thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful day. Lord, thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Sometimes life is good. Trouble comes my way.
Dear parents, I would like to make just a quick survey po. Yung mga gusto
So, ito,
po
guys.
magpaaral ng toddlers, this is just a survey. Kung dadami po tayo, we might open ng
So, ito,
toddler
guys.
next school year.
Tapos lang
Not
ang
just the
registration.
nursery, but we'll have
Okay na kami.
toddlers.
Yung card na.
Survey
Kanya
na lang
report
po,
card.
survey.
So ito na. Tapos lang. Ano ba yan? Mga balbas.
Ha?
Kami ngayon kabalbas sa Jollibee. Treat namin si M magkain. Ngayon sa Jollibee. Dahil with honors siya. With honors. Vice Principal's Merit. Sunod, tataasan mo palalo ha.
Sagot.
11,005. Please proceed to plane area. Thank you.
So ito guys, matatapos lang namin magkain. Pauwi na kami. Bye.